Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Lia Amelia Istiqomah.
I'm Andre Bahtiar.
And we are from TBIA
class. And today we're going to talk about the formal event.
And we're going to be a master of ceremony.
Without further talk, we're going to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the English Pintar 2014. Good morning, and for the Honorable Mayor of Pontianak, the Honorable Dean of Teacher Training and Education Faculty, the Honorable Adjectory, the Honorable Guest, and the Honorable Participant of English Pintar 2014. First of all, let's thank to God the Almighty who give us a mercy and blessing until we can attend in this event without any obstacle, and also in this happy place and time. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, this event, English Pintar, is one of the which held by English Student Association ESA since 1994 until now. The purpose of this event is the participant can improve their English, especially speaking skill, which is implied in our theme, conquer your fear, heal the world, so that the participants are able to conquer their fear, compete and show up to the world their English ability. Ladies and gentlemen, our event is supported by Government of West Kalimantan, Department Education Department of Pontianak, Mayor of Pontianak, Rector of Lanjungpura University, and Dean of Teacher Training and Education Faculty. And here we are sponsored by Excellent English Studio, Foundation, and Wardah Cosmetic. And we also have some amazing media painter. They are Radio Partner, Radio Kita, Radio Flare, Radio RE Pro 2, Radio Primadona, Radio Vista Pon 1V, Tribun Pontianak, Harian Berkat, Pontianak Post.
Ladies and gentlemen, for today we have English speech contest for junior high school and senior high school category. And tomorrow we are going to hold English storytelling for elementary school and junior high school category. On next Saturday, we are going to English debating championship. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you all, I am Lia Amelia as Master of Ceremony. I would like to deliver the agenda in this event as follows. The first agenda is opening. The second agenda is remarked by Chairperson of English Pintar 2014. The second remark by Chairperson ESA. The third remark is delivered by the Dean of Teacher Training and Education Faculty. The fourth remark is delivered by the Mayor of Pontianak and also officially to open this event. The third agenda is entertainment by Deo Memo. The fourth agenda is inviting the participants. And the last agenda is closing. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to the first agenda. It is the opening. Let's open our agenda today by saying Basmalah together. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. May Allah make our agenda run well. Amin. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second agenda is speech. The first speech will be delivered by the chairperson of AP 2014. For Miss Dewi, the time is yours. Thank you, Miss Dewi, for the remark.
For the next remark will be delivered by the chairperson of ESA. For Mr. Indra, time is yours. Thank you, Mr. Indra. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next speech will be delivered by a mayor of Pontianak, and we expect to be a pleasure to officially open this event for Mr. Indra. The time is yours. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, it was the remark from Mr. Indra. And thank you for being a pleasure to open this event. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next third agenda, entertainment, it will be entertained by Deo Memo. Let's enjoy it. Thank you. Your performance is very interesting. Big applause for the performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is competitions. Let me invite the first participant of English Speech Contest 2014. He is from Bandung and the topic is Indonesian culture. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Adib. Big applause for Mr. Adib. What a great performance. So now I'd like to invite the second contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, we have enjoyed all agenda. Now we are in the end of this event today. But before closing our meeting, I am, as the master of ceremony, I have made many mistakes during holding this agenda, and I apologize for this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's close our meeting by saying Hamdalah together. Thanks for your attention. May we meet again in other meeting, and please enjoy the performance by Mr. Doni. See you tomorrow in English Speech Contest 2012. Have a nice day.
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye. Okay,